What's going on with guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to find your save reels on Instagram. So let's get it on. So first I'm going to save a bunch of reels first. Okay, I'm going to save that. Save this and this too. So if you want to find them, just go to your profile, tap that three lines at the top right corner and go to save right there. Just tap that save. And after that, go to all posts. Then tap of that reel icon right there, the top right corner. Then as you can see, all the real save reels are listed on this page. So that's how you find your save reel. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.